Ready to make the most out of your next adventure? Today, we're covering the ultimate list of do's and don'ts to make your travel smooth, fun, and safe. From packing tips to staying safe abroad, let's get into it. Do your research. First, do your research before heading to a new country. Learn basic phrases in the local language, check the currency exchange rate, and dive into the local customs. Trust me, knowing what's considered respectful can save you from awkward moments. Plus, research the area, find out if it's safe to explore at night or if there are must-see spots nearby. Don't leave packing to the last minute. Don't leave your packing for the last minute. It's tempting to throw everything in last minute, but you'll either overpack or forget something. Give yourself time, plan your outfits, and pack light. Do you really need 5 pairs of shoes? Probably not. Do ensure your own safety in risky areas. Do keep your safety in mind, especially if you're in an area known for pickpockets or scammers. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash, steer clear of sketchy areas at night, and always lock up your valuables. Pro tip: use your hotel safe but don't forget the passcode. Don't drink unsafe local water. Don't risk drinking the local tap water if it's not safe. A quick chat with a local guide or some online research can save you from getting sick. Stick to bottled water, and keep in mind that some foods may also be washed in local water, so be cautious. Do explore new places. Do make it a habit to explore somewhere new each time you travel. Sure, the resort's beach is nice, but why not venture out to explore the city, visit museums, or interact with locals? Every new spot is an opportunity to learn something and broaden your horizons. Don't let jet lag ruin your adventure. Don't let jet lag ruin your trip. Even if you're exhausted after a long flight, try to adjust to the local time as soon as possible. Skip that early bedtime and push through. You'll get more out of your trip and won't miss out on the nightlife or adventures. Do be friendly to people you meet. Do be kind to the people you meet along the way, whether it's flight attendants, hotel staff, or tour guides. A simple smile can go a long way, and who knows, you might get some unexpected perks like seat upgrades or extra advice on cool spots to check out. Don't let salespeople push you around. Don't let pushy street vendors pressure you into buying something. Some may be persistent, but it's okay to say a firm no, and keep walking. You're in control of what you buy, no need to feel guilty for walking away. Do photocopy your passport and important papers. Do keep photocopies of your passport and visa papers. Losing these important documents in a foreign country is a nightmare, so having a backup copy can save you tons of time and stress. It's one of those things you hope never happens, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Don't forget to relax and have fun. Lastly, don't forget to relax and soak in the experience. Travel isn't just about checking things off a list, it's about enjoying the journey and making memories. So, take it easy and have the time of your life. There you have it, your essential do's and don'ts for traveling like a pro. Whether you're exploring a new city or chilling at the beach, following these tips will help you get the most out of your trip. Got any more travel tips? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel advice.